Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome again to Paratosh's Excel Tips for Beginners. Today we are going to look at the function COUNTIF. So COUNTIF is a slightly complex function that, as the name suggests, combines two different functions. It combines count and it combines if. And where would you use something like this? Right, so let's take an example and see how that works. So right here, we have a list of salespersons and we also have a list of the sales that they made. So in this case, you'll see John has made one sale this month of $1,000. James has made three different sales for $2,000, $4,000, $6,000. John has made another one for $3,000. And then what we have is a situation where you have three salespeople, and what you want to do is to count the number of sales that they have. Not the amount, but the number of sales. For the amounts, you do the sum if, but for this case, when you want to see what the count of the sales is, how many, not how much, the function to use is COUNTIF. So let's go into it, right? So let's say I want to count the number of sales that John has made. So if I do COUNTIF, so equal to count if, and so this is the range of data that you want to see. So that's all the way from line number 2 to line number 10. And then your criteria is that the salesperson is John. So just click on this cell. So your salesperson is John. And then you close the bracket and you'll see that John has made 3 sales this month. The same thing we can try for Jake. Let's just see what happens. So sum if, count if. You take the range from line 2 to line 10, and your criteria is going to be the sales person is Jake. So you do that. See, Jake has made only 2 sales. So here you see, right? Line number 9 and line number 10. And let's try the same thing for James. COUNTIF. Same range, criteria being James. Close the bracket. And you can see James has made 4 sales. So this is how you do it, right? You do a range, and then you have a criteria, and that gives you the count. This is particularly useful if you have a sales report and you really just want to see how many sales have been made by each of your salespeople. Sometimes it's also pretty useful to have the sum of sales, so that for that you would use a sum if, and then you would also maybe want to see the average sale made by everyone. So you would do a sum if divided by a COUNTIF, and that will give you the average. So that's it. That's how you use COUNTIF. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did. Please subscribe to my channel if you did. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please feel free to use the comment section below.